Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, I will be making a chai spiced horchata, or as I like to call it, the ChaiChata. Horchata is a beverage from Mexico made with rice milk that has been spiced with cinnamon and sugar. I'll be adding some rum and warm chai spices. This cocktail can be easily batched for an easy fun drink to have at Thanksgiving or any other festive gathering. Thanks to the rice, it has a nice creaminess to it while still being dairy-free. The horchata is super easy to make, but it does need to sit for at least 8 hours in the fridge. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of rice, 1 cinnamon stick, 10 black peppercorns, 8 cloves, 6 cardamom pods, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, 1/3 cup of sugar. You will also need a blender. First, I'm going to crush the spices to release the oils and then add them to a pan with rice. I'm going to let everything toast for a bit. About 5 minutes or so, tossing a bit until the rice has a golden hue and the spices are aromatic. Next, I'm going to add the rice and spices to my blender, followed by the almonds and sugar. I will blend this while streaming in the 4 cups of water. If your blender doesn't allow you to stream in the water, it's fine to just put everything in together all at once and blend. I'm going to blend on medium-high for about a minute. Then I'm going to transfer it into a container and store in the fridge for 8 hours. I'm leaving mine in overnight. The longer it soaks, the more starch will be released from the rice, which will make the texture of the drink creamier. After the horchata has sat for at least 8 hours, you can strain it through a fine mesh strainer to filter out any large particles. Now we are ready to build the cocktail. You will need aged rum, high-grade maple syrup, and our spiced horchata, as well as some cinnamon to grate on top for garnish, or you can just use ground cinnamon. First, I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of the horchata to my shaker tin, followed by 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. And lastly, 1.5 ounces of rum. I'm going to shake vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds and strain into a Nick and Nora glass. Now I will microplane some cinnamon on top for garnish. And that's it. You can easily make this non-alcoholic by omitting the rum and maybe pulling back a bit on the maple syrup. Just a 1/4 ounce or so it's not too sweet. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below.